Hi, I'm Laura Bloomberg, President of Cleveland State University. I'm delighted to welcome you to the start of our Spring 2025 semester. Although we are in the middle of our academic year, I recognize that some of you may be new to CSU and taking your very first classes with us. To you, I wish you a special and very warm welcome. We're glad to have you with us. Whether you are new to CSU or you're returning, I invite you to check out the schedule of events for our Week of Welcome. It's an excellent way to kick off your semester, connect with offices throughout the university, and get to know your fellow students. I want this to be a university where all our students have the opportunity to thrive, and part of that requires you to make the time and the commitment to get to know what resources and opportunities are available to you. In addition to the Week of Welcome, I have another recommendation for you. When you're done with classes for the day, if it happens to be late in the afternoon or early evening and you have a little bit of time to spare, I encourage you to see what's happening around campus. Right now, the days can sometimes feel dreary as Ohio receives about 9 hours of daylight this time of year, but campus is often still bustling with activity. Rather than heading home for the day, you could attend a presentation, enjoy a music or theater performance, watch our student athletes compete, and so much more. And don't shy away from the things that are outside of your major or interests. As some of our alumni will tell you, attending a lecture on a subject you are completely unfamiliar with can open your eyes to new and fascinating areas of study. Or you may begin to see connections between what you are currently studying and a discipline you didn't think was related. Or you could discover your love of art or physics or mechanical engineering. You could surprise yourself. You never know, so explore all that the university has to offer around you. There are so many opportunities for you to learn both inside the classroom and certainly outside of the classroom. Have a wonderful spring semester.